Come on, everybody, for Ashley, 2 minutes. One more. Find a camera, put it up. Ashley, come on, Ashley, start the Malaysia. One more, Ashley. Rest. Take the time, rest. You still got time, you just need one more. 1 more minute. Come on, here we go. Come on, people, make some noise. Luis Solano or Rafael putting the barrel into the holder here. Solomon is struggling to put the barrel. Weighing 100 kilograms. Rafael, you're next. You can do this. Twist it, give it a twist. There you go. So you have to use physics to get the barrel out and maneuver the barrel. What a lift there by Sulaiman. Twist it, Sulaiman. Yeah! And now supporting for Rafael. Everybody support Rafael now.
Let's go!
And give it a twist. There you go, big hand everybody, fantastic. What a great performance here by the athletes. And he's got the nudge there, come on everybody. Supporting everybody, he's got the beat going forward, he's going to keep on going. And don't stop, this guy's stop, the beat is going to pull you back, so you're going to keep on going forward. No matter how slow it gets, just 1 minute at a time, keep it moving, just keep it moving. Keep it moving, momentum, keep it moving, that's all. Alright, well done. Every step matters for here. Keep on the road. Come on guys, give him some support. That's the wise move, ladies and gentlemen. Do not exert yourself, alright? Only an inch by inch. Let's give a big everybody contestant number 10, Rafael.